Navy men's swimming and diving team captured their 12th consecutive Patriot League Championship title this year, and Navy plebe Nate Belch stepped right up to continue that tradition from the diving board. The Arizona native performed well under the pressure of Navy's storied tradition in the pool and was tabbed as the 2015 Patriot League men's diver of the meet after earning first place finishes in the 3 and 1 meter boards.
We understood that we had 11 years coming in, and there was a sense on the team that we were going in and there was not going to be any problem with us winning. But there was still pressure coming from all angles. And previously, a couple meets, Josh from Army had beat me at their pool, Tyler from Bucknell had beat me at their pool, so there was pressure to step up to the plate at this meet and really take on that competition.
On the first day of competition, Belch won the 3 meter board with 334.1 points. 2 days later, a solid performance off the 1 meter board in the final round propelled him to first place with 302.3 points.
Always nervous, especially knowing that my 2 top competitors had beat me earlier on in the season. So of course I was nervous, and I think that helps actually, being able to use those nerves and kind of take that adrenaline and get you to push yourself through. Especially on that last dive on 1 meter, I was very close, and the longest couple of seconds of my entire life, waiting to see if I had just broken the second place score. I didn't really leave too much room, but my heart was pounding and the adrenaline just really helped me through that. And as soon as I had it, it was a huge moment of relief, and I looked over at our officer representative and he was just ecstatic, and it translated over to me and I was over the moon.
Belch's only wins on either board this season came back in October against George Mason. Making the transition from the small pond of high school diving to the bigger stage in Annapolis wasn't easy, but it was a task that Belch was up for and one that he proved he could master.
It's a much different competition. In high school and throughout club, it's 11 dives, so going from more dives to less dives is a little bit different just in that you don't have as much of a preparation and as much time to kind of fix yourself. But I do really like the aspect of college diving, and getting your head set straight right at the beginning of the meet is definitely a necessity in order to win. And my coaches really imbued that into me and made it, so that I can succeed at bigger meets like this.
Belch chose to attend the Naval Academy because he has goals to succeed later in life by serving his country. He found his way with the help of former coach Michelle Mitchell, a 1984 and 1988 Olympic medalist for the United States.
I always knew that I wanted to serve and do something like that. So I understood from an early point in my life that if I was going to serve, I wanted to go officership. And it was brought up to me by Michelle Mitchell, who is now the director of dive at the University of Arizona. And she was friends with Rich McDonald, who is the current Navy dive coach. And she talked to me for a little bit and asked if I was interested, and I really didn't know exactly what the academy was about at first. So I looked more into it, and I came on a recruit trip, and Alfred Garvey was my host, and he was amazing and just showed me all the incredible aspects that this institution has to offer.
For more on the 2015 Patriot League Swimming and Diving Championship results, head to patriotleague.com. For the Patriot League Network, I'm Melanie Pulowski.